The Galaxy Z Fold 6 may introduce a feature that could enhance the overall foldable experience. This feature is also rumored to be included in the Galaxy Z Flip 6, which could greatly please users. Samsung indeed improved the hinge mechanism with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but the display crease remained visible. In contrast, most of Samsung competitors have addressed this problem. Some models such as the OnePlus Open and Oppo Find N2 Flip don't have display crease at all. According to Ice Universe on Twitter, Samsung may finally address the crease concern with the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung has decided to use thicker ultra-thin glass UTG for the foldable screen of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Galaxy Z Fold 5's UTG had a thickness of 30 microns, while the Galaxy Z Fold 6's UTG is claimed to be 50 microns thick. This increase in thickness is expected to make the screen crease less visible and improve the display's durability. Also, we have a leaked zoomed-in picture of the main lens of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, again leaked by Ice Universe on Twitter. This image provides a glimpse of the phone's design details. The lens is encirculated by a thick black ring with circular patterns. And if you want to know everything we know about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 series, make sure to watch this video. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.